everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your link in Vidmate. Keep watching the video till the end. To share your link in Vidmate, firstly open your Vidmate application. The home page of Vidmate application will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Share option. You can either share APK or share link. To share Vidmate link, click on Share link. You can share the link through any of the social medias or sites as shown on the pop-up option. This is how you can share your link in Vidmate application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.